Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can exit some of its settings. For example, you can manage priority only allows, which means exceptions for this mode. You can add reminders, events to exceptions, messages, for example, from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for calls. And there's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. You can also block visual disturbance here, prevent yourself from visual notifications popping up on your screen when Do Not Disturb mode is on. And you can also add automatic rules, and rules is basically just a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.